Another day, another story. Unlock the power of ChatGPT, tips and tricks for more efficient use. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can assist you with a wide range of tasks, from generating text to answering questions. In this video, we'll be showing you how to get the most out of ChatGPT by providing tips and tricks on how to optimize your interactions with the model. Tip number 1. Be specific with your questions when interacting with ChatGPT. It's important to be specific with your questions. The more specific your question is, the more accurate and relevant the model's response will be. Tip number 2. Use complete sentences. ChatGPT is a natural language model, which means it's designed to understand and respond to complete sentences. When asking a question, be sure to use complete sentences and proper grammar to ensure that the model can understand and respond to your question. Tip number 3. Provide context. ChatGPT is a context-aware model, which means it uses the information provided to it to generate a response. To get the most out of ChatGPT, be sure to provide as much context as possible when asking your question. This can include additional information or background on the topic, as well as any relevant data or facts. Tip number 4. Be patient. ChatGPT is a complex model that requires time to process and generate a response. Be patient when waiting for the model to respond, and give it a few seconds to generate a response. Tip number 5. Use the fine-tuning feature. ChatGPT has a fine-tuning feature that allows you to train the model on specific tasks or datasets. This can be useful if you're working on a specific project and want the model to be more tailored to your needs. To use the fine-tuning feature, simply provide the model with a specific dataset or task and it will learn to generate responses based on the data. Those are our tips and tricks for how to use ChatGPT in a more efficient way. Remember to be specific with your questions, use complete sentences, provide context, be patient and use the fine-tuning feature if you need it. With these tips in mind, you'll be able to get the most out of ChatGPT and achieve better results with your interactions with the model. Thank you for watching and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.